Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for liking and commenting on my previous videos and also subscribing to my channel. I'm so happy to be here with you guys to share with you how I braid my friends and my colleagues here in school as a comrade. Hope you all had a nice Valentine last week. Well, so on today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm doing invisible locks. And my today's client is a student nurse. Yes, very important people at the hospital. Hope you guys appreciate the work they do because it's not that easy. So yeah, let's get right into it. As you can see, I am parting her hair the way I like to do it. Make sure that it is neat. Yeah. As you can see, I've already done some 4 braids. So first we had to do 4 knotless twist because at the back of her hair, the hair was too small to do the intended hairstyle. So we had to do the knotless twist so that they don't fall off or they don't cut her hair. So yeah, and I'm so glad she chose me to do her hair. She had to travel all the way from the city, yes, to come and get her hair done. So as you can see, I've done a few ones, like 4, and here I just want to show you exactly what I'm doing. So for this hairstyle, you just part a box or whatever shape that you want, and then you divide it in the middle and apply the wax. Yeah, as always, I'm always using the molding gel wax, the black one. Then you roll it, and then you start adding your hair. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, that's why we have the visuals. You can see how I'm doing it. So yeah, I had to hold it in with a peg. I didn't have something else to hold it because if I were to leave it free, it could have unfolded and then I would have started again. So you just hold it there, and then you add your braid to the other piece on your right, and then you start twisting it with the other piece on your left. So guys, as you can see, we are making a progress and they're coming out so cute. So the whole idea of having invisible locks is to look like you have your locks retwisted for those who have locks, but they are actually not locks. So I would say it's for people who want locks, but they want the short route. So yeah, so I was just twisting them to a certain level that she wanted, and so that at the end would either cut them or make barrels to make them leveled and make them look nice. I'm so happy with the progress that I'm making here on YouTube. This video completes my 1 month here on YouTube. Hooray! Yeah. With time, I get to learn more on how to record, edit, and produce nice videos and do more great hairstyles. And thank you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. Bye. See you in the next one, guys.